If you're looking to dive into the world of trading, you might have come across eToro. But is it really the best platform for crypto and stocks? Let's break down what sets it apart and what you should watch out for. eToro is a social trading platform that allows users to invest in a variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies and stocks. What makes it stand out is its unique social trading feature, which lets you follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. This can be especially appealing for beginners who may not know where to start. The interface is user-friendly, designed to help both novice and experienced traders navigate the market easily. You can explore a wide range of assets, from Bitcoin to Tesla shares, all in one place. However, it's worth noting that while eToro offers a demo account for practice, some users may find the educational resources lacking, which could be a drawback for those wanting to learn more about trading strategies. Overall, eToro's blend of social interaction and trading functionality makes it an interesting choice, but there are some areas that feel a bit underdeveloped. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, eToro's social trading aspect is a game changer for those new to investing. You can learn from others and potentially boost your success rate by copying their strategies. Plus, the platform is visually appealing and easy to use. However, there are some significant downsides. The fees can be a bit on the high side compared to other platforms, especially when it comes to withdrawals. Additionally, while the social aspect is great, it can lead to herd mentality, where users might follow others blindly without doing their own research. Lastly, eToro is not available in every country, which might limit access for some users. If you're looking for a more traditional trading experience or lower fees, you might want to consider alternatives. In conclusion, eToro can be a solid option for beginners looking to explore crypto and stocks with the help of social trading features. However, if you're more experienced or sensitive to fees, you might want to explore other platforms. Overall, it's worth trying, but proceed with caution and do your own research.